Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 lagging slow problem quick fix. Here are some quick fixes you can try to resolve lagging or slow performance. First, what you have to do is restart your computer. Go to the Windows option like this and select this option and simply click on the update and restart. And sometimes a simple restart can fix performance issues by clearing out temporary files and resetting processes as well. Also check for the Windows update. Ensure your system is update. What you have to do is also you can press the Windows plus I at the same time and you will be opening your settings, and on the bottom you can see on the left Windows update option. Click on that option and look for the Windows update and ensure your system is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes as well. Or you could also try disabling the startup programs. Open Task Manager. You can simply press the CTRL and the Shift plus ESC at the same time and you get into an interface like this and disable all the unnecessary programs from the starting up to the Windows as well. And try these steps and see if they help improve the performance of your Windows 10 system. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.